Let's talk about how to use the cash out feature on 1xBet, step by step. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit 1,000, you'll receive a total of 4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. First, log into your 1xBet account and head to the My Bets section. Here you'll see all your active bets. Next, select the bet you want to cash out. If the cash out option is available, you'll see a button with the amount being offered. This amount depends on how the game is going. It might be higher if your prediction is going well, or lower if things are risky. Now tap on the Cash Out button to instantly secure that amount. The money will be credited straight to your account balance. Cash Out is perfect if you want to lock in profits early before the game ends, or minimize losses if the match isn't going your way. Remember, timing is everything. Keep an eye on the match and cash out when you feel the return is right. That's it. A quick and simple way to stay in control of your bets with 1xBet's cash out feature.